Elon Musk's Grok AI just did something so insane. It's got the internet in a frenzy. This new update could completely change how we interact with artificial intelligence. And honestly, you won't believe what it's capable of now. From real-time news analysis to bold predictions, Grok is rewriting the AI rulebook. Welcome to the Chanel, where we explore the craziest tech stories and futuristic innovations. If you love wild AI updates, mind-blowing discoveries, and Elon Musk's latest creations, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a video. What is Grok AI? Let's start with the basics. Grok is Elon Musk's answer to OpenAI's ChatGPT and Google's Gemini. Developed by XAI, Elon Musk's AI-focused company, Grok is designed to be more than just a chatbot. Musk claims it's based on truth-seeking and capable of answering spicy or controversial questions that other AIs shy away from. It's integrated with X, formerly Twitter, giving it real-time access to social media trends, user data, and global conversations, making it one of the most plugged-in AIs ever created. The recent breakthrough, what Grok just did. So what did Grok do that's making waves across the tech world? In a recent closed beta test, Grok was given a challenge: write, debug, and deploy a fully functional website using only a single sentence from a human user as input. Sounds impossible, right? Not for Grok. Within seconds, it generated the code, styled it, and published it to a test server, all without any further human instructions. Engineers were stunned. This wasn't just basic HTML. It was a multi-page responsive site with interactive features. Think of the implications. Grok isn't just answering questions. It's taking actions, making decisions, and building real-world solutions. How is Grok different from ChatGPT or Gemini? You might be thinking, well, ChatGPT can generate code too. True, but here's where Grok stands out. Thanks to its deep integration with X, Grok has real-time access to a fire hose of data, tweets, trends, conversations. That means it can tailor its responses not just to general knowledge, but to the pulse of the internet at any given moment. Want to create a meme-generating website that matches the latest viral trends? Grok's got you. Want to analyze political sentiment in real time? Grok can tap into live data and tell you who's up, who's down, and why. It's like an AI that not only knows everything, but knows it right now. Why this matters, the bigger picture. This isn't just about coding. This is about AI stepping into the role of active collaborator. Think about what this means for entrepreneurs, developers, students, even governments. Imagine launching a startup with just your voice. Imagine writing an entire research paper by brainstorming with an AI that knows your field better than you do. Elon Musk believes Grok could eventually become a co-pilot for your digital life, helping you solve problems, automate tasks, and even challenge your assumptions. This is the dawn of the AI partner era. Potential risks and criticisms. Of course, not everyone is celebrating. Critics are raising valid concerns about data privacy, bias, and misinformation. Since Grok is trained on X, some argue its outputs may reflect the platform's chaotic mix of opinions, conspiracy theories, and unfiltered speech. Others worry that an AI this powerful, when placed in the wrong hands, could be used to manipulate social trends or spread propaganda. Elon Musk himself has admitted that Grok is a little rebellious, which makes it exciting, but also potentially dangerous. Elon's vision: where is Grok headed? Elon Musk has always dreamed big, from Mars colonization to self-driving cars, and Grok is no exception. According to Musk, Grok will soon power AI-driven tools within X that could revolutionize how we interact with social media. Think intelligent replies, auto-generated content, personalized news curation, even automated customer service, all run by Grok. And it doesn't stop there. Musk hinted that Grok might be integrated into Tesla vehicles as a smarter voice assistant. Imagine asking your car not just for directions, but for stock updates, jokes, or the meaning of life while it drives you to work. Final thoughts. So what does this all mean? It means we're standing at the edge of a technological revolution, and Grok is one of the frontrunners. Whether it becomes a helpful digital partner or a chaotic wild card will depend on how it's used and who controls it. But one thing's for sure, Grok AI just took a giant leap forward, and the world is paying attention. If you found this video fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. What do you think about Grok? Is it the future or a step too far? Let's talk about it below. And as always, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.